In this video, we will discuss question 4 of exercise 8.2 chapter 8 trigonometry. State whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. First question, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. It is a false statement. For example, let us consider a to be 60 and b to be 30. So sin of 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 90, which is equal to 1. And sin 60 plus sin 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is totally a different answer, so it is a false statement. Second question, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes, it is a true statement. By a sine table, we know that for sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 is sin 0, 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. So, as the value of theta increases, the value of sin theta also increases. So, it is a true statement. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. It is a false statement. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. The value decreases actually. Question number 4. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. It is a false statement. Clearly from the table, every value differs except for theta is equal to 45 degree. Only sin 45 and cos 45 match each other. Fifth question, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Cot 0 is 1 by tan 0, which is equal to 1 by 0, which is undefined. So this is true statement. Thank you.